Hey everybody, I've recently purchased two Pyle slim waterproof subwoofers. They're 6.5 inch because I'm putting them on the motorcycle. They're going in little 6.5 inch pods that attach to the crash bar. I've got the crossover and everything, so I can only run bass signal to these little tiny subwoofers. They're puny and they're only like 150 watts. So it should be easy to power these things with my little amp and push them up to their max. Anyway, I'm just showing you the unboxing. It does come with a remote control and a little RF controller for the lights if you want to use them. I've already got underglow wired up with the RGB, so I'll just hook them up to my system so they all glow the same. And waterproof slim subwoofer. I'm really excited to see how these actually turn out. The basket I've noticed is kind of a chintzy plastic. The overall craftsmanship seems cheap. I mean, I know it's a Pyle, but Pyle Hydra, made in China. You can see over there the terminals are all crooked. You can see where the RGB wires literally are just on the grill cover. Yeah, see? Not even attached well. Straighten those out. The cone has the leads going up into it. I don't know. I guess we'll see. And she's pretty thin. That'll give her a little airspace inside those pods I have. So yeah, hopefully they go good with my high pass filter for the upper 6.5s, and the lowers should be banging a little bass. So we'll see how it works in the real world.